Hello everyone and welcome to TK Code. In today's video, we'll dive into a C programming example to find the largest among three numbers. We'll break down the code step by step to understand how it works. Let's get started by taking a closer look at the code. In this C program, we're using the standard input-output library to perform input and output operations. We begin by declaring three variables of type double, number1, number2, and number3. These variables will store the numbers input by the user. Moving on, we prompt the user to enter three numbers one by one using the printf function coupled with scanf to read these values into our variables number1, number2, and number3. Now comes the interesting part. We utilize conditional statements, such as if, and else, to compare these three numbers and determine which one is the largest. We start with the if statement, checking if number1 is greater than number2 and number3. If it is, we print a message stating that the first number is the largest. If not, we move to the else if statements to check the other possibilities. The else if statements evaluate whether number2 or number3 is greater than the other numbers, printing out messages accordingly. And if none of these conditions are met, the else statement triggers, indicating that all three numbers are equal. Finally, to conclude the program, return 0 is used to signify the end of the main function, which indicates successful execution and the program comes to a close. It's a simple yet effective way to find the largest number among three inputs. I hope this breakdown helps you understand the logic behind this code. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.